Welcome. In today's video, I share how I created a headboard using seagrass rugs and foam board. I used 2 full rugs and 2 squares from a third rug to complete this project. After measuring for the length I desired for my headboard, I taped 4 foam boards together on both sides. I suggest making this 2 to 3 boards thick for stability. However, I chose not to do this for this headboard and use what I had left over from another project. Here, I place the rugs on the foam board in the position I want to start hot gluing. You might want to use a stronger adhesive. I glued a section at a time, giving the glue a little time to adhere the rug and the board together. For the last small section, I carefully separated a small section of the rug, being careful to cut only the twine that held the panels together. Then I glued it in place. To finish off the edges, I use less than 2 rolls of this trim. Use mounting hardware that is suitable for the weight of your project. I thank you for deciding to spend some of your time with me. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to create your own headboard from something you can repurpose. And as always, I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.